Food prices got you gasping at checkout? You're not alone. For organic gardening success, consider starting with certified organic seeds and natural compost. Look for eco-friendly brands like Seed Savers Exchange for seeds and Coast of Maine for compost. But here's the good news. Some of the most expensive grocery staples are also the easiest to grow yourself, and they add up to hundreds of dollars in savings every year. Today, we're covering the top 5 vegetables that slash your grocery bills in half with step-by-step growing details so you can stop paying for what you can grow. Welcome back to Greens to Gold, where your backyard is your new grocery aisle. Yesterday, we talked about raised beds that pay for themselves. To build your own raised beds, use untreated cedar wood and eco-friendly garden tools. Brands like Green's Fence offer organic raised bed kits, and Fiskars provides sustainable gardening tools. Today we're taking aim at your food bill. These 5 vegetables are high yield, versatile, and expensive to buy in stores, making them the ultimate money savers. First up, tomatoes, the queen of the produce aisle. Life cycle, annual zones 3 to 10. Best time to plant, after last frost. Direct sow or not. Start indoors, transplant. Full sun, pruning. Pinch suckers for airflow plus higher yield. Fertilizer, high phosphorus plus potassium. For feeding your tomatoes, use organic fertilizers like Dr. Earth Homegrown or Espoma Tomato Tone for a safe, eco-friendly boost. Overwintering, indoors in containers, zones 9 to 11 can keep outside. Companion plants, basil, carrots, marigolds. Avoid potatoes, fennel. Health benefits, lycopene-rich, boost heart health and immunity. Savings, store-bought tomatoes is $2 to $4 per pound. One healthy plant yields 10 to 15 pounds is 30 to 50 saved per plant. Second, potatoes humble, filling, and shockingly profitable to grow. Life cycle, annual tuber. Best zones, 3 to 10. Best time to plant, early spring. Direct sow or not. Plant seed potatoes, cut pieces with eyes. Full sun, pruning. Not needed. Hill soil around plants as they grow. Fertilizer, compost plus potassium-rich feed. Boost your potato yield with organic compost and mulch. Black Gold compost and Eco Gardener biodegradable mulch are great eco-friendly options. Overwintering, harvest fully before frost. Store in cool cellar. Companion plants, beans, corn, cabbage. Avoid tomatoes, cucumbers, disease spread. Health benefits, carbs, potassium, vitamin C, energy staple. Savings, grocery potatoes average $1 a pound. A 4x8 raised bed yields 50 to 100 pounds is $50 to $100 saved easily. Third, zucchini, the plant that over-delivers. Life cycle, annual. Best zones, 3 to 10. Best time to plant, after frost, warm soil. Direct sow or not, direct sow in mounds. Full sun, pruning. Remove old leaves for airflow. Fertilizer, compost, balanced feed. Overwintering, not frost hardy. Companion plants, beans, corn, radishes. Avoid potatoes. Health benefits: low calorie, high in fiber, vitamin C, antioxidants. Savings: grocery zucchini is $2 a pound. Each plant can yield 10 to 20 pounds per season, is 20 to 40 per plant. Fourth, green beans, the gift that keeps giving. Life cycle: annual. Best zones 3 to 10. Best time to plant: after frost, warm soil, direct sow or not, direct sow seeds. Full sun: for green beans, choose organic seeds and use natural pest control like neem oil. Botanical Interests offers organic bean seeds, and Neem Bliss is a trusted eco-friendly pest solution. Pruning: regular harvesting boosts yield. Fertilizer: beans fix nitrogen, minimal feeding needed. Overwintering: not frost hardy. Companion plants: corn, cucumbers. Avoid onions, garlic. Health benefits: fiber, protein, vitamins A, C, K. Savings: store beans is $2.5 to $3 a pound. A 10-foot row yields 20 pounds is $50 to $60 saved. Visual continuation of savings explanation. Fifth, spinach, the nutrient powerhouse. Life cycle: annual, fast grow. Best zones 2 to 9. Best time to plant: early spring and fall. Direct sow or not direct sow. Prefers cool temps. Partial shade in summer. Pruning: cut outer leaves. Keeps producing. Fertilizer: nitrogen-rich compost or tea. Feed your spinach with organic compost tea. Wiggle Worm Soil Builder worm castings make an excellent, sustainable fertilizer. Overwintering: can overwinter in zones 6+ with row covers. Companion plants: strawberries, peas, radishes. Avoid potatoes. Health benefits: iron, calcium, vitamin K, supports bones, blood, and energy. Savings: fresh spinach is $4 to $6 a pound. One bed yields 20+ pounds is $80 to $120 saved. But the most priceless savings? Eating vegetables you grew yourself, free from pesticides. That's a kind of health and peace of mind you can't buy at any store. And that's your grocery bill slashed in half thanks to tomatoes, potatoes, zucchini, beans, and spinach. Together, these 5 veggies can save a family hundreds of dollars every year. Plus, they taste way better when homegrown. Which of these veggies drains your wallet the most at the store? Drop it in the comments. And hit subscribe because tomorrow's video is the secret math of a money-making backyard garden. Until then, keep planting, keep saving, and keep turning your greens into gold.